Lars and I are about to go out and do a parade lap. Hopefully a fast parade lap on the Barber Motorsports road course. Oh, Lars, look at the spider on the Coke sign. 2 spiders. There's a huge one. I think it's in the middle of that valley. Yeah, you can see the top of the legs over there. Behind that, like, the little camera pole over there. See it? Yeah, this track's awesome. Yeah. So we missed out on this one yesterday, but now we made sure we cut our day off in time. Huh? Yeah, redemption. Let's not send it on the road course like we sent it on the woods race, right? I'm so glad that I didn't bring the monkey out on that. Now that because I thought it was gonna be like woodsman style or whatever. You know? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is. Hey, this is my sticker kit. Oh, he does. I don't know. That kind of looks like the stainless steel one. Nah, that's the bike that's in the display. If you break it, you gotta buy it.
It's my bike.
It's your bike. Nice.
I race it all the time.
Do you? If your exhaust goes missing later, don't look at us.
I was running an Acro before, but this thing is so much better.
Is it?
I'm worried about the top speed on this because it's set up for kart track. There's a short 4th gear in it. So
Monkey will be passing you up?
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, it'll pull strong up to that point, but
yeah.
Got like a 38-inch rear on it.
What's that, Lars? Yeah. Yeah, no passing, just taking it easy. Until you get out there and then it's full race mode. Trust me. I've been on tracks before. Then you're like, I'm just gonna go check out the track. As soon as the wheels hit the track, full out. Everybody's gonna be riding hard. We're gonna race for exhaust, right? I got a Yoshi on this too, man. Come on.
Just up until about 50.
Nah, man. Come on, I learned how to tuck to get this thing up to 65.
Yeah, that short 4th gear makes a difference. Like
Yeah.
for racing?
Oh, yeah.
It's all the difference.
Yeah. 530. Look at that. Best man in the box. RD 350 Yamaha Cafe. That thing's insane. We're not excited. Barber Motorsports Park, parade lap, small bore fest. Yeah, dude, that 2-stroke smells so good. Yeah, it's kind of filing out right now. Go, go, go! Going in turn 1. A little bit of wet. Got a monkey friend over there. Turn 2. Maybe we'll take monkey on the outside. Yeah. Imagine doing it with like 45 Miatas.
Yeah.
That's the last time I was on this track. Look at the spider up there.
Oh, wow.
Coming into the museum, carousel, roller coaster, good times turn. I'm in a race car right now. I'm doing the race car lines. Look at the dragonfly. Oh, dude, the Composimo monkeys up here, Lars. The little, look at the little stretched and lowered monkey. Where are you? Oh, dude, you're way back there past him. Catch up to our group, bro.
He's actually pretty quick.
The monkey? Get past him. Gotta get up to the Composimo monkey. Look at it.
I'm coming.
Oh, it's so funny. He's like about dragging toes on it on every turn. Yeah, it's funny. You should catch up now. Oh, talking to Rod. There's our friend from Honda with the brand new Yoshi system, titanium on there. Oh, the Composimo Monkey, I got him. You hear the two-stroke? Are you with me? Oh, St. Cloud. Oh yeah, there he is. That little stretched and lowered Grom next to you is actually not slow. Yeah. Yeah, watch, he's gonna scrape toes. Oh, it's scrape toes. Oh. Take it easy, take it easy. Oh, all 1,000 cc's of glory between 9 different monkeys. Oh, there goes Aaron Colton. Damn. Hey. Oh yeah, dude. Well, we're in a good spot because like the dude that's in the first spot behind that pace car is he's in the worst spot. He's gotta observe that dude's speed limit.
I'll take it off, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, that bike. This bike broke the internet. Maybe my video over here will break the internet even more. My GoPro's, yeah. My GoPro probably stopped recording. Oh, out of the box air filter! Woo! Oh, look at the XR. He's having a good time. Look at those pegs. Oh, look at those pegs. Oh, scrape, scrape, scrape. Oh, scrape. Oh, my God. You just scraped pegs around the whole floor. Oh, man, the Super Cub's fast. Go. Oh, dude, you just hit me with a rock. I think so. Hit my boobie. Oh, yeah, face scrape. He ain't gonna have any pegs left by the time slaps done. Peekaboo! Throw down. Oh, hello. Super speed mode. Oh, yellow flag. It's all over.
Dang, that was good.
Yeah. Oh man, that was fun.